Keep it casual. Mastering slang for short answers in English. Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive deep into the world of informal English, specifically looking at how to use slang and informal language in short answers. It's a fun way to sound more natural and relaxed when speaking English, especially in informal situations with friends or in casual environments. Now, you might be wondering, why do I need to learn slang? It's a good question. Slang is a type of language that consists of words and phrases that are regarded as very informal. They're commonly used among specific groups of people and are more frequently used in speech than in writing. Understanding slang can really help you connect with native speakers and feel more comfortable in casual conversations. So, let's get to it. When answering questions in informal situations, slang can help you to sound more natural. Let's look at some common examples. Instead of saying, yes, you might say, yeah, yep, or even, sure. No can become, nope, nah, or even, nah-ah. I don't know could be, no idea, dunno, or even, got me. It's important to note that while using these slang terms can make your speech more informal and natural, not all situations are appropriate for slang use. Let's take a look at these examples. 1. Question. Do you want to go to the movies? Answer. Yeah, I'm down. Meaning, I'm interested or I agree. 2. Question. Have you seen my keys? Answer. Nah, no clue. Meaning, I don't know. 3. Question. Are you tired? Answer. Yeah, I'm beat. Meaning, I'm very tired. Remember, these are informal responses. They're great for casual conversations but might not be suitable in more formal settings. And there you have it. Some quick, easy ways to use slang when giving short answers in English. It might take some practice, but I'm confident you'll be sounding like a native in no time. Keep practicing, and remember that slang is most appropriate in informal settings. I hope this video has been helpful for you, and I can't wait to see you all in the next one. Stay tuned for more English language learning tips and tricks. Happy learning!